Hello, this is Kevin Heiser with IT Martini, and I'm here in Cincinnati at IT Martini Hour 16 with Eric Elias from Homescreen. Hello, Eric. How are you doing?
Good. Good. How are you?
Doing great. You've got a really unique concept, something I haven't seen before, and it's called Homescreen. Do me a favor and tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, so Homescreen is a fun way to take the sites that you use most often, make them into little cool icons, and put them inside your browser. Think of it as your iPad inside your browser. And we also add a social element so that you can actually see all of your friends, be it on Twitter or Facebook, and see the sites that they're adding to their home screens. So it's a really neat way to share tools, discover, as well as learn about new sites.
Now, when you mention different sites and applications and so forth, should I assume that's things like maybe Gmail or maybe Mint.com or any type of subscription site I might be part of? Is that the right idea, or are there other types of things that I'm not thinking of?
Exactly. We're looking to try to organize your web life. So that's the most used icons that you may have every day. Now, you may have 20 different sports icons or sports sites that you use, but at the same time, there's a lot of useful utilities to be shared. So if you're a teacher, you could actually make a home screen for your class and share that with the class, and suddenly everyone now has the class schedule, the grades, as well as extra homework problems online organized already.
Excellent. That makes me think of a question about your typical target customer. Obviously, at first I was thinking about me and just being able to organize my life, but then you mentioned schools. So it sounds like there might be different types of customers you could go after. What are your thoughts as far as how you're going to approach the market?
Right. So we're currently looking at you and me, everyday consumers, and how we organize our web life. But we're definitely going to target not only schools and teachers, but also enterprises, as well as the very highly relevant tech crowd. So the ones that may use 30 to 40 applications with 3 different companies that they're helping, or 3 different clients. Those are probably the target audience initially.
Okay, and I think earlier when we were talking, you said you've kind of been thinking through how you're going to make money with this. It's a very early stage venture. How do you plan on charging or making money?
Right, so we make Homescreen very easy to organize and easy to set up so that consumers like to use it. Once consumers enjoy using it, you'll notice on the right side, the little icons will have promoted icons or an app deal of the day. So New York Times may have their deal of the day. And so that's how we plan to make money.
Excellent. And so far, have you been showing it to people, and what's their reaction been?
Yeah, so we've been showing it to a lot of my friends, and everyone's really liked it when I showed it to my friends and family, as well as random people online that had technical experience. The response has been, yes, but I want a little more features. So show me how to share, show me how to truly group icons together, and that's what we're here today, is to hopefully garner some investment so that we can build out those features.
Excellent. And then as everybody goes around tonight, they're going to be meeting with you and a bunch of other startups, and they're going to try to figure out which one's the best one that should win the Community Choice Award. What is it you want them to remember when they go up to that ballot box?
I want them to remember that Homescreen really is the easiest way to organize, discover, and share new apps, and it's something that every browser is going to have in the future.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Eric.